Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 1 of exercise 14.1 of chapter 14 symmetry of class 7. So here the question number 1 is copy the figures with punched holes and find the axis of the symmetry for the following. It means to say here what is saying here in this diagram. You can see here we are having in this diagram, it's a four-sided closed diagram, and we are having two holes, punched holes in this. And what we'll do here, we have to find out the axis of symmetry. So what we'll do here, it means we will fold them. It means when we'll fold them, that these two circles will overlap them. For example, see here, if I'm having this one rectangle, see this one diagram, I will overlap them in this way, so that these two holes will be on the same, they will overlap them. So what we'll do here, as I want to draw here axis of symmetry, so I will fold them in this way. See, this is the line of symmetry, so that when I fold it in this way, so these two circles will overlap them. Fine. So this is its line of symmetry. Same here in B part, you can see there, here are these two punch holes are there. So what we'll do here, we'll draw like this, so that when we'll fold them in this way, so that it will represent the axis of symmetry. So it will be this one diagram's line of symmetry and axis of symmetry also you can see. Same here in C part, again they are asking to draw here the axis of symmetry. So what we'll do here, we will draw here axis of symmetry in between these two holes. So see here I have drawn here, this is its axis of symmetry, and you can see here these two punched holes are on the either side of this line. Then here D part, you can see here as I am having these two circles, they are very close to each other and they are far. So what we will do here, I will not draw like this one line of symmetry, because these two circles are close. So what we will do here, I will draw in this way. You can see here, then when I will fold to this one side, this one circle will overlap this and this one will overlap this. Fine. Same here in F part, you can see here in this diagram we are having three circles. One is at the center and others are on the corner. So what we will do here, we will draw this one as a line of symmetry, so that when we will fold it, this one half will overlap this and these two circles will overlap each other. Then same here in H, you can see here I am having a triangle. So as it is having these much holes on the corner, so what we will do here, I will draw this one as a line of symmetry, so that this one circle will overlap this. So in this way you can simplify these sums. See these parts I, J, K, L. I am having two circles here. So what we'll do here, we will draw here a line, so that these two circles will cut and they will overlap each other while folding. Then here you can see in this circle, what we'll do here, we can draw like this is a line of symmetry, or in this way also, because in both the ways, both the circles when they will cut, the line of symmetry will cut them, they will overlap them. Then see here in this circle you can draw, see here in this way, then this way, then this way, then this way, you can draw here like this, the line of symmetries. Then in this you can see here circle, there are three circles. So what we'll do here, in this circle we are having three small circles, these punch holes. So what we'll do here, we'll draw here the line of symmetry which will pass from this one circle center, so that this one half will overlap this. See this one half and this one half, it is going to cut it from the center, then this one half will overlap this. So in this way we can draw in this sum the different lines of symmetry. So here in question number 2, you can see here what is given. Given the lines of symmetry, find the other holes. It means to say here, as in previous sum, we are having holes and we are drawing the line of symmetries, but here you can see here in this diagram you are having one hole and a line of symmetry, and according to this line of symmetry we will find out the other hole, that where it will be. So let's start it now. In this part you can see here this is the line of symmetry and it is going to divide from the center, so it will be fold like this. So it means to say here, if one hole is here, the other will be here on this side. You can see here I have drawn here, if one hole is here, the other one will be on the other one side, because we are going to fold it on this one side, in this one way. Then see B part, again we are having this line of symmetry, and this is you can see in this diagram. So what we'll do here, if this is the line of symmetry, then one hole is here, the other one hole will be its parallel on the other side here. So see here, you can see in this diagram, here one hole is here, then on the other side of this symmetry the hole is here. So same here in C part, you can see here in this triangle, this is line of symmetry. If one hole is here, other hole will be on this one side. So see in this diagram I have drawn. Then same here in D part, this one circle is having this one as a line of symmetry and one hole is here, so the one will be here as I have drawn in this diagram. So in this way you can simplify the question number 2.